In our culture, it's about me, myself, I. You will read self-help books and find it on the internet where it says, just love yourself. Be true to yourself. Look out for yourself. Be your own best friend. Jesus said, if anyone comes after me, let him deny himself. Pick up his cross and follow me. You know what the most frightening thing is? To follow Jesus daily. Deny yourself. Deny myself. Deny myself. Deny what I think this world offers as pleasure. Deny my plans. Why? Because we've been created in the image of God for one reason, and that is to glorify God. Family, we are on earth to please and glorify God. Some of us need to hear that this morning. We are not here to get degrees and to get married and to raise children and to make money and to set up houses and to drive fancy cars and do all of those things. It's not the reason why we are here. Jesus lived the ultimate example, glorifying God for us to follow in the purpose of why we are here. Jesus lived to glorify God. If you want to be like Jesus, you live to glorify God. That's it. Do you wake up in the morning and ask, Lord, help me to glorify you today?